Welcome back to Tech Region. Today, we dive into one of the most ambitious and futuristic fighter jet projects in Europe, the Tempest, Italy's next-generation warbird that promises to redefine the future of aerial combat. If you've been fascinated by advanced stealth fighters, hypersonic missiles, and AI-powered warfare, then you'll want to stick around till the end, because the Tempest is unlike anything we've seen before. Introduction to the Tempest. The Tempest is not just another fighter jet, it's a vision of the future. Officially launched under the Future Combat Air System program, the Tempest is being developed by Italy, the United Kingdom, and Sweden, with cutting-edge aerospace companies like Leonardo, BAE Systems, Rolls-Royce, and MBDA joining forces. Italy plays a central role in this project, showcasing its deep engineering expertise and its ambition to stay at the front line of 21st century air power. Expected to take to the skies by the mid-2030s, the Tempest is designed as a sixth-generation fighter jet, a step beyond today's fifth-generation aircraft like the F-35 or the Chinese J-20. But what makes it so revolutionary? Let's break it down. Stealth and design. From the outside, the Tempest looks futuristic, almost like something from a sci-fi movie. It features a sleek, stealth-optimized design with angular lines to minimize radar detection. Unlike traditional jets, the Tempest will be built with advanced composite materials that absorb enemy radar waves, making it extremely difficult to track. But stealth is just the beginning. The Tempest is expected to have adaptive camouflage technologies, meaning it could potentially blend with the sky or even project deceptive signals to enemy radars. Imagine a fighter jet that doesn't just hide, it can actually trick enemy sensors into misreading its position. AI and digital cockpit. Here's where the Tempest truly stands out: artificial intelligence. The aircraft will feature an advanced AI co-pilot that assists the human pilot with decision-making in the heat of battle. This means the pilot won't have to manage every small detail. The AI will analyze threats, suggest maneuvers, and even manage weapon systems in real time. On top of that, the Tempest will use augmented reality displays inside the cockpit. Instead of traditional dials and switches, pilots will see a fully digital, holographic interface, customizable for different missions. It's like flying a jet with the world's smartest onboard assistant. Weapons and combat systems. The Tempest is being developed with a heavy focus on versatility in combat. It won't just carry conventional missiles, it is expected to be equipped with hypersonic weapons, capable of striking targets at incredible speeds. But it gets even more futuristic. The Tempest could potentially use directed energy weapons like lasers. This means intercepting enemy missiles mid-air or disabling drones with pinpoint accuracy, all at the speed of light. Imagine a dogfight where lasers and hypersonic missiles change the rules of engagement entirely. Another key feature is swarming drones. The Tempest won't fight alone, it will command a fleet of unmanned combat drones working as its loyal wingmen. These drones can scout ahead, jam enemy radar, or even carry out strikes, multiplying the Tempest's combat power. Connectivity and cyber warfare. In modern combat, information is everything. The Tempest will act like a flying data hub, connecting with satellites, ground forces, ships, and other jets in real time. This combat cloud will allow it to share information instantly, giving commanders a full battlefield picture. But with great connectivity comes vulnerability. That's why the Tempest is also being designed with next-generation cyber defense systems, ensuring it cannot be hacked or jammed by enemy forces. Italy's role. For Italy, the Tempest is more than just a fighter jet, it's a symbol of technological leadership. Italian aerospace giant Leonardo is responsible for some of the most critical systems, including radar, avionics, and sensors. Italy's involvement ensures that the country remains a core player in Europe's defense future, while also creating thousands of high-tech jobs and pushing forward innovation across multiple industries. Conclusion. So what does the Tempest represent? It's not only a fighter jet, it's a vision of 21st century warfare. With stealth, AI, hypersonic weapons, drone swarms, and laser technology, it's a true leap forward. For Italy and its partners, the Tempest is about staying ahead in a rapidly changing world where air dominance is the key to security. Here at Tech Region, we'll keep following the Tempest project as it evolves, from design, to testing, to its first flight. So, if you want to stay updated on the future of aerial warfare, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. This is Tech Region, bringing you the technology of tomorrow, today.